Hi, this is Mindy, and I'm here today with my daughter Hannah, who is in the white hoodie, and her friend Sydney, who's in the blue sweatshirt. And we're going to talk about prime factorization today, finding the prime factorization of a couple of numbers. Sydney's in 6th grade, so she's already been learning this. Hannah's in 5th grade. She has not yet learned this, so she will learn something new today, hopefully, and maybe be ahead in class. We'll see. So I have a chalkboard here with me. I've already written some prime numbers. We're not going to talk about how to find prime numbers. We're going to assume you already know what those are. So we're going to do the prime factorization of a couple of numbers. We're going to start with number 147. So we'll write 147, and we'll do our little prime factorization tree. This is the method we're going to use to find it. So 147, one trick to find out if it's divisible by one of our prime numbers is to see if it's an even number, which it's not, so we know it's not divisible by 2. So we'll add up the digits. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 7 is 12. 12 is divisible by 3, so 147 is going to be divisible by 3. So 3 times what equals 147?
49.
49. Good job, Sydney. Is 49 a prime number? No, it's not. It's a composite number. So we can break that down to a prime number, and we know 49 is 7 times 7. 7 is a prime number, so the prime factorization of 147 is going to be 3 times 7 times 7. So here is the example of the prime factorization of 147. We're going to do one more number. We're going to do number 450. So 450, we're going to start with our trick and say, is this an even number? Yes. However, it's a different kind of even number that ends with a 0. We know if a number ends with a 0, it is divisible by 5. So we're going to start with 5. And 5 times what is 450?
90.
5 times 90. Good job, Sydney. 90 is not yet a prime number, so we're going to break that down to ending with a 0. We're going to start with 5. 5 times 18 equals 90. 18 is still a composite number, so we can go farther. 18 is 3 times 6, and 6 is 3 times 2. So here's what our tree looks like. So the prime factorization of 450 is 5 times 5 times 3 times 3 times 2. 5 times 5 times 3 times 3 times 2. And we had one lesson about writing this with exponential factors. So that would be 5 squared times 3 squared times 2. My chalkboard paint got a little crazy, but there is the prime factorization of 450. Thank you.
Thanks for watching.